How to diagnose this condition? There is a very famous Amsel's criteria for bacterial vaginosis, and it is the gold standard for this condition. There are 4 criteria. The first one is excessive vaginal discharge. The second criteria is that the vaginal pH should be more than 4.5. Normally it is acidic, it becomes a bit alkaline in BV. We take a litmus paper of narrow range pH like 4 to 5.5 and apply it to a withdrawn speculum from vagina, and it will show the pH, which will be slightly alkaline. pH more than 5.5 indicates cervical secretions. The third criteria is amine test or whiff test should be positive. Here what we do, in the vaginal secretion, we add 10% KOH, and the smell is very distinct. It is fishy odour. The reason behind this fishy odour is that vaginal secretion contains vaginal epithelium which is shed regularly. The proteins of these epithelium is broken down by peptidase and sialidase of the Gardnerella, Mobilingus and Prevotella like bacteria into amino acids, which then is converted by an enzyme decarboxylase produced by anaerobic bacteria into amines, namely trimethylamine, putrescine and cadaverine, and these amines have a very distinct fishy odour. The KOH adders lyse the vaginal epithelium, thus enhancing the reaction and gives a stronger smell. The fourth criteria is the detection of clue cells in wet mount or in ground staining. What are clue cells? These are vaginal epithelial cells which are studded by bacteria on the surface. So this is the shed vaginal epithelium studded by the bacteria, and it looks like this under the microscope. So Amsel's criteria has 4 criteria, 3 out of which should be fulfilled to diagnose as bacterial vaginosis. Apart from Amsel's criteria, there are some scoring systems, one of which is Newton scoring.